Welcome back to Rituals. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. This is Rituals Money Talks, and today's topic is the ultimate guide to investing in your 20s. So this was going to be short, simple, to the point. I'm going to give you guys like 11 little tips that you guys can use. This is for my millennials. So this is to help you guys get started. Investing early is the way to do it. The sooner you start investing, the better you'll be 10, 20, 30 years from now on your goal to financial freedom. So remember, the sooner you start investing now, the better off you'll be on your goal to financial freedom in the next few years. How about that? So let's get right into this video. Like I said, short, simple, to the point. All right, this is the ultimate guide to investing in your 20s. Tip number 1, learn from books, courses, and mentors. Hence the channel, Rituals, which stands for Daily Practice of Building Wealth. So once again, tip number 1, learn from books, courses, and mentors. There's a great resource of books, financial books to go look at, to go read. I'm going to do a video in the very near future on the books that I use to gain some financial knowledge, financial literacy that I'm going to recommend to you guys. So I'll be doing a video on that real soon. So let's go right to tip number 2. Like I said, I'm going to keep this video short, simple, to the point, because I know you guys got to get to the money, right? So I'll give you these tips, and then you get back to the money. Tip number 2, think about your goals and priorities. So you got to write goals. I write my goals right here in this handy notebook right here with my nice little pen. I write all my goals down, and I plan stuff out. And I recommend that to anybody. Always have a goal. Always create an action plan of how you're going to obtain that goal. Even if it ain't about money, whatever it is, always have goals and create an action plan and attack that action plan, and you'll get to that goal. You'll create that milestone. You'll get to that milestone. Okay, so tip number 3, supplement and grow your income. Got to find ways to grow your income, whether that's through side hustles, whatever the case may be, making yourself more valuable to your company, increasing your worth. I talked about that in past videos. I'll leave the link, or you can go back after this video, hit that playlist, and watch all the financial videos. But I talked about how to increase your wealth, how to get to that $100,000 salary, and more. So go back and watch those videos after you watch this one. So that was tip number 3, grow your income. Very important. Number 4, figure out your monthly expenses. You got to figure out your monthly expenses. It's very important. That goes back to budgeting. Got a video on that. I cover all these topics. You guys got to watch these videos because they're very beneficial to your life. Very, very, very so much, because we're all on the path to create financial freedom. This channel is named Rituals, Daily Practice of Building Wealth. But also we create wealth so we can create generational wealth and pass this on to our loved ones when we leave this earth. So we want to keep this thing going, because the whole thing is to create financial freedom so you can be free to do what you would like to do in this world, whether it's creativity or whatever the case may be. So that's the mission that we're on, all right? And don't get it twisted. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about your social status. It's about your health. And that's what we're here for, you know? We want to get it in all areas, mental as well, you know? Got to get it. Now back to it. Number 5, set a budget and pay yourself first. It goes back to number 4. You got to know how much money is going in and out your house. And once you know what's going in and out your house, you create a budget and you stick to that budget and you pay yourself first. Pay yourself first means put 10% into savings, you know? Automate something, whether it's the savings, whether it's to the stock market, whether it's to getting that emergency fund built up. Automate 10%, at least 10% of your salary. That's paying yourself first from the jump. Number 6, tip number 6, decide between active or passive investing. So passive and active investing is like active, you're going to get it. You're involved. You got your hands on. Passive is like dividend type investing. Like you invest in a company, and no matter what, because you invest in them, they kick you back dividends over the course of time. So you're getting passive income like every quarter. I talk a lot about dividend investing in previous videos. I'm telling you guys, I covered all these topics. Go watch these videos. Go watch these videos. Hit my playlist, Rituals Money Talks. I create a playlist of money financial videos. Hit them. I'm telling you, very beneficial. But yeah, passive investing, that's what I choose. But I also do active investing. So, and I talked about that with some video game stocks. A lot y'all guys in y'all 20s, guys and girls. I know y'all love video games. Go watch the last video. I tell you how to make money whether you play video games or not from video games. Trust me, you can make money from video games whether you play video games or not. Go watch that video. Okay, tip number 7, do research to find the right stocks and ETFs. That kind of goes back to the first one about learning from reading books and courses and mentors. So do your research no matter what. Don't just grab a stock because somebody recommended it. Go research the company and invest in things that you actually use. So when you use a product of a company you're investing in, you know that product is good. And if you know that product is bad, then you should foresee, okay, I shouldn't be investing in this stock because it's not aligned with what I believe in. If a company is not in line with what you believe in, don't invest in it. But also do your research on all companies, every single one. Okay, and tip number 8, add those stocks or ETFs to your watch list. So if you did research on a company and you're like, I don't know yet, go to whatever. On Apple, we have a stock app. And you can go to that stock app and you can just add companies to that stock app. So I'm pretty sure every device has a stock app. And if it don't, go to your device's app store right now and go find a stock app. Or you can touch Stop Watch List. And you can download that app. Find a free one. Don't pay for it. Should be free. Find a free one. And then if you come across a company that you're interested in, just hit that little heart or the plus symbol and just add it and watch it until you're ready and done all your research, and then you invest. But just watch it. See how it grows. See if it declines. See what's going on. That's the best advice I give to you. All right. So tip number 9, buy at regular intervals or when conditions are met. So in your 20s, this is very crucial. You should at least be the goal should be at least investing $200 to $300 a month. Each month, that should be your goal. Because if you can invest $200 to $300 a month and you're getting an average return on a year of 7 to 10%, in 20, 30 years, you won't have to really work no more. Do the math. Compound interest. I'm telling you, compound interest is your best friend. And then if you guys are investing in companies like Tesla and Apple, they just did a split. So when they do these splits, big money, big money. If you had 1 share of stock, now you got 4. Now I don't know if Tesla did. Now I got to go back and look. But I heard Tesla was doing a 5-way split. I don't know if they did this week or not, but I'll see. But they did a 5-way split and you had 1 share of stock in Tesla, 1 whole share. Now you have 5. What? Anyway, tip number 9, monitor your portfolio and watch the news. Goes back to the other tips. That's what the watch list is for, and the stock apps on your phone. But also you got channels like MSNBC. You got Yahoo Finance. I use them a lot. Just always stay in tune with what's going on in the world, current events. I mean, that's what you gotta look at. What's trending? Electric cars is trending. Tesla was already doing this way before everybody. I ain't gonna say they was the first, but they were the first to almost perfect this whole battery thing. They got this thing down to a science. Everybody else is playing catch up. So, but everybody else is going to electric. So if everybody else is going to electric and you already have a company that got this thing like down to a science, don't think Tesla's going anywhere for a while. Once again, do your own research. But monitor your portfolio and watch the news. So if you're already investing, always keep your eye on your portfolio. I look at mine at least once a day, at least. So there you go. Number 11, the final and last tip for today's video is stay focused on the big picture. That goes back to this right here. When you wrote that goal down and you wrote that action plan, stay focused, stay committed, be consistent. Consistently invest. When you choose to do $200 to $300 a month to invest, stay consistent. Keep investing that $200 to $300 a month, no matter what. Unless you have, something that happens. But guess what? You're supposed to have an emergency fund anyway before you start investing. And had you watched that last video I did of when to start investing, you know that. But if you don't, it's okay. Not here to scold you. Just go back and watch the video. Now, with that being said, thank you guys for watching today's video, which was the ultimate guide to investing in your 20s. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do me a favor. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, please do me a favor. Still give this video a big thumbs up. And leave me some comments in the section below. What would you guys like to know about investing? Is there any questions you guys would like to know? Hit that comment section down below and let me know what would you guys like to know. Also, if you have not started investing, you're about to start, you're ready, I got links to Stash app and Robinhood app. You can do all this from your mobile device. If you use Stash with my promo code before September, they will give you $20 towards a share of stock. It's free money. If you choose to use Robinhood and you enroll and you get a share of stock, they will give you one free share of stock. And they will pick. They could pick Apple, they could pick Tesla, they could pick anybody. Either way, it's a free share of stock, which is free money for you. How about that? So, matter of fact, get both. That's what I do. I have Stash and Robinhood. There you go. Free game. Once again, thank you for watching Richuals Money Talks. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post more financial videos like this. Y'all have a great day. Peace and love.